Then Splash of Romance. And of course, we're still waiting for the sweet guest tonight.
We're now boarding Splash of Romance. If you have a golden band on, that is for you.
Oh, okay, I guess.
So there's a change with Splash of Romance that we were not expecting. We have recently known that everyone got a special sail away event, but the exclusive cocktail event is not for sail away. Today is the 24th, and we will sail away in a couple of hours. And now this cocktail event is for March 25th from 5 till 6 at the Perch. So we won't have a special sail away. The sail away will be out on the pool decks. I think that's the only change that I see from what we understood the Splash of Romance package. The juice bar.
I can see it now. I think it was the one that you took.
Yeah, I tried that.
It's very nice.
Yes.
I like the beet one.
The beet also is good. It's one of both is my favorite.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
So we already drank most of our juice. We tried I Can See Clearly Now is the orange one. And you got the beet, which has beets in it, which is the purple colored one. So that's our morning Splash of Romance juices on our first morning on the ship.
I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never lost someone when that I love you. I'm falling in and out of love with you. I never lost someone when that I love you. Oh, baby.
These are plunge pools, ice plunge pools, cold plunge pools. All just warm marble. Sauna. Lots of towels and some water for you after you sweat it out. Showers. So this is the mud room. And the mud is available where? Over here usually. Little cups of mud are usually available over here. I don't see them right now. But you slather yourself with the mud and sweat in there for a while. This is the steam room. This is the salt room. I think we spent most time in here. I like it in here. You have hooks for your robes right outside each of these rooms. There's another shower area. Thanks for watching our video
Like and subscribe
to see what's next.